Hey guys, I'm Sheryl Locke with Off the Jackson. We're down here at SEMA 2018 and we're showing you one of the hot cars we found inside today. And I want you to meet Kurt and Crystal. Can you tell us where you were from?
Danville, Virginia.
Oh, so you made quite a trek over here.
Yes.
Quite a ways.
Okay.
Right
Cross country.
2,400 miles.
Yeah.
Ah.
Somewhere in there.
Somewhere there.
And it's worth the trip to see this, though.
Absolutely.
To show it
Absolutely.
off.
Yes.
So what do we have here?
We have a 1970 Cougar Eliminator, one of 13 with houndstooth interior. So, and then it's a 428 Cobra Jet drivetrain and 4-speed transmission with a 9-inch Nodulon rear end.
And it is an all number matching car.
All number matching car.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is. It's got the same engine it was born with in 1970.
Now about the engine, you showed me some pictures of how you found this car.
Yes.
And
Well, the client brought it to us like that because the car was burnt and he actually thought it was to the point where it couldn't be fixed. So he researched us, found us, brought me the car from Dallas, Texas to fix the car. So when the show is done, it goes back to Dallas to him, which he gets to see the car for the first time today.
Yeah, in about 3 hours.
In about 3 hours.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah,
Yes.
it'll be the first time he's seen it in person.
Yes.
okay, so this is, you've been sponsored to get this car ready to go and here.
Yes,
Yes.
I want to make sure you guys tell us who your sponsors are.
absolutely.
So that we get them in, because without them you wouldn't be here.
That's
Yes.
right.
So this is a BASF sponsored vehicle. We're a featured car, and we're a full Glazeret build. So Glazeret is a brand of BASF, and they picked us one of the 14 featured vehicles to come to SEMA this year. And this is our first year, so we're very honored.
And not only is it your first year, but when did you get this car to start on it?
Well, two-ended side to that story, because it came in 2014, but it
Yes.
wasn't actually started in 2014.
Well, we researched and found parts for the last few years, and then we gathered parts, did some restoration on the parts, and then we got the notification that we were going to be in SEMA. So June of this year, it was hammered down, and we got to work, and it was in complete bare sheet metal.
Yeah, it was
June.
still in sheet metal July 20th.
Yes.
Holy smokes. And this is the end of October.
So since July, we did body patches, a whole roof on the car, complete floor pans, because the fire just
It worked.
it warped a lot of sheet metal, a lot of heat.
well, it looks like you guys put a lot of hours in, and
Yes.
it's beautiful.
Yes, I would say it's well over 2,000 hours in this car.
Oh,
A lot of sleepless nights.
Yes,
A lot of 7-day weeks, 24-hour days.
yes.
yeah. And you know what? I have a feeling that a lot of these cars here can sympathize with
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
And so you did most of the work yourself?
But me and my team, which is one of my employees, Josh, and my son, Jonathan, we did, the three of us did the work on the car. And then my wife, she does all of our social media and billing and
All that fun stuff.
to keep the wheels rolling.
I was going to say, because without her, you guys are sitting
We
in a
wouldn't be
shop
doing
with
this.
doing nothing. Well, thank you very much for bringing it, and I hope that next year you're here with something else, or
We will be here next year with something else
I was
Yes.
going to say, have you already started making plans?
Yes.
in our heads.
In our heads. When we get back, we'll start putting it on paper.
Yes.
Oh, very good. So you guys, we're going to link to their social media so you can go check them out and get some more info about this car. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. We'll have more videos coming up for you soon.
I've done some Chevys and stuff, some mods. As far as doing like the Chevy concourse type stuff, you know,